Hi foodies, welcome. I'm going to show you a very quick and easy kadhi recipe using spinach. A very new and different way to make something when you have no veggies left in the refrigerator. Let's see how to make this. Come on. I'm going to blend together the chilies, spinach and ginger. And I have taken approximately 2 cups of spinach. Blend this without water at first and then we will add the water and blend to a smooth consistency. This looks perfect. Keep it aside for a while. Let's make the yogurt mixture. I have taken 1 cup whole milk yogurt. First, we will add the chickpea flour and the salt. Whisk to a smooth consistency, breaking all the lumps. Put those muscles to work and whisk, whisk, whisk. Looks good. And this is the spinach mixture we made earlier and mix to combine well. I have rinsed the bowl and adding that water to the yogurt. The detailed recipe with the exact measurements is in the description box below. Once well combined, we will start making the kadhi tempering. I'm also adding some sugar to balance the flavors. Keep this aside for 5 to 7 minutes. For the tempering, we will heat the oil and start adding the ingredients one by one. Take your time and allow the mustard seeds to crackle. Add the seasonings and now we will saute the crushed garlic until slightly golden. Add the fresh coriander leaves and the yogurt mixture. Keep stirring constantly at first and then once it comes to a rolling boil, you will see it thickening slightly. If you like my recipes, then click the subscribe button for such awesome recipes I post every week. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the flame and allow to cook for 5 to 7 minutes to make sure there is no rawness of the chickpea flour. Our spinach kadhi is ready and garnish with some more fresh coriander leaves. You can have this as is or serve with some steamed rice, pickle and papad of your choice. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.